Managing diabetes requires careful attention to diet, as certain foods can cause blood sugar spikes and worsen the condition. Here is a list of foods that are best avoided by diabetic patients to maintain stable blood sugar levels and overall health. 1. Sugary beverages. Drinks like soda, energy drinks, and sweetened juices are high in refined sugars and provide empty calories. These beverages can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and should be replaced with water, herbal teas, or unsweetened drinks. 2. Refined carbohydrates. Foods such as white bread, pasta, and rice are stripped of fiber and nutrients. They are quickly digested, leading to sharp increases in blood sugar. Opt for whole grain alternatives instead. 3. Pastries and baked goods. Donuts, cakes, muffins, and other sugary baked goods are loaded with refined flour, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These can contribute to weight gain and poor blood sugar control. 4. Fried foods. Deep-fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings are high in trans fats and calories. They can cause insulin resistance and raise blood sugar levels. 5. Candy and sweets. Candies, chocolates, except dark chocolate with low sugar, and other sweets are concentrated sources of sugar. They have little to no nutritional value and can lead to severe blood sugar fluctuations. 6. Sweetened breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals marketed as healthy are high in sugar and low in fiber. These can cause a quick rise in blood glucose levels. Choose unsweetened whole grain cereals instead. 7. Full-fat dairy products. Full-fat milk, cheese, and yogurt contain high amounts of saturated fats, which can worsen insulin resistance. Switch to low-fat or unsweetened dairy alternatives. 8. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats often contain added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats, increasing the risk of heart disease and poor diabetes control. 9. Alcohol. Alcoholic beverages, especially sweet cocktails and beer, can cause unpredictable blood sugar levels. Excessive alcohol consumption also interferes with liver function and insulin production. 10. Packaged snacks. Chips, crackers, and other packaged snacks are often high in refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and sodium. These can lead to blood sugar spikes and weight gain. Tips for better blood sugar control. Read labels. Check food labels for hidden sugars and unhealthy ingredients. Focus on whole foods. Choose fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains over processed options. And practice portion control. Even healthy foods can raise blood sugar if eaten in excess. Plan meals. Prepare balanced meals with a mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep blood sugar stable. Conclusion: avoiding these foods is crucial for diabetic patients to maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent complications. By making healthier dietary choices and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, managing diabetes becomes more effective and sustainable.